Okay guys, welcome to AstroTech GH, and in today's video I'll be showing you step-by-step way on how to create the fastest UDP unlimited file for your Socksip account. Alright, so if today is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so whenever I drop a new video like this, you get notified. So to start, open your Socksip application. After opening your Socksip application, go to the settings, which is this one, settings, click on it. Please don't forget to update your Socksip application to the latest version. Alright, so after that, you click on request tunnel, this one, click on request tunnel. After clicking on request tunnel, come to UDP requests. On this UDP request, then click on UDP request. After clicking on UDP request, then you come to configure UDP requests. Configure UDP requests. Click on it. After that, click on free server. Alright, click on it. Then come to custom server, which is the second one. Click on custom server and then tick enable binding. Tick the box. Okay, now you have to fill in this server IP, username, password. Okay, now to create the UDP request file, you have to go back and then open your web browser. I will be using Google Chrome, so you can use any web browser of your choice. After opening the web browser, in the search bar, then you search for fast SSH, fastssh.com, fastssh.com, which is this one. So you will just search for that. Okay, so you just have to click on the first link that appears, which is this one. Click on it. After that, it will brought you to their website. When you get into their website, zoom in. The first thing you need to do is to zoom in and then click on SSH, the top, which is this one, SSH. Click on it and then click on UDP requests. Create UDP requests. Click on create UDP request and then click on this one. After that, you can zoom out. You can see a lot of servers from different countries. We have United States of America, which is the US, and then Sweden, Germany. Just choose any server of your choice. So I will choose this, which is Germany. I will be going for this one. So then you click on create UDP request account. Click on it. After clicking on it, scroll down until you see this one, username and then password. Click on it and then type in any username and then password. After that, you verify that you are not a robot by clicking on this button here, which says I'm not a robot. After that, scroll down till you see create account. Then click on create account. As you can see, our account is now creating. So let's wait for it to create. Okay, our account has now created. So you need to zoom in. After that, click on copy this address which says the server IP address. Copy it. Copy the server IP address and then click on copy to copy the server IP address. So after that, go back to the Socksip application and then paste it to the server IP. Paste it here. Now we will go back and copy our username. Go back to the website and then copy your username. Then go back to the application and then paste in the username. After that, come to password. Go back to the website again and then copy your password, which is this one. Copy password. Then let's go back to the application and then paste in the password. Scroll down to the end port, which is this one, end port. Click on end port, delete the one and then type in 65535. 65535 and then hit on save settings. Save settings, which is this one. Okay. Click on it to save the settings that you have made. Now we are done creating our file. So we will go back and then click on start. Okay. Then let's wait for it to connect. Okay, so as you can see, our Socksip application has now connected successfully. So that is how to create unlimited UDP file for your Socksip account. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so whenever I drop a new video, you get notified. See you in my next video. Thank you.